Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Professor Dag Madsen, and here we focus on all things business and management, providing you with the tools and knowledge to excel in your studies or career. In this video, we're diving into the PESTEL framework, an indispensable and dynamic tool used by businesses globally to navigate their complex macro environment. From political shifts to technological advancements, we'll explore how these critical external factors influence organizations across various industries. Let's unravel the layers of this essential strategic framework together. The PESTEL framework is a comprehensive tool for analyzing and observing the macro environment surrounding organizations in general. Representing political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors, PESTEL has deep historical roots, evolving from the ETPS tool discussed in Francis Aguilar's Scanning the Business Environment in the 1960s. Today, it is a cornerstone in strategic management and a common reference in literature on marketing and strategic management. PESTEL serves as an essential framework for examining external elements that can impact organizations or industries. It provides managers with key insights to anticipate future market conditions. There are various iterations of the framework like PEST, STEP, SLEPT, PESTE, and ETPS, each placing slightly different emphasis on the various factors. In this video, we will focus on the standard PESTEL framework. Let's look more closely at each of the 6 factors. In the political realm, government policies shape the business landscape through regulations, subsidies, and trade agreements. Political stability is crucial for business confidence and investment, while political risks can include changes in government or policy shifts. Taxation policies, such as corporate tax rates and incentives, directly impact business profitability. The legal and regulatory environment, encompassing laws and regulations, dictates how businesses operate and comply with national and international standards. The economic environment includes business cycles that affect demand and investment. GDP growth patterns signal the overall health of an economy. Interest rates impact borrowing costs and consumer spending. Currency exchange rates can influence international trade and profits. Global economic integration, such as trade agreements, affects market access. Labor market conditions, including unemployment rates and wage levels, determine labor costs and availability. The cost of living impacts consumer purchasing power. Social factors involve demographic trends like population growth, which affect market size and labor supply. Healthcare developments impact public health and employee well-being. Educational standards influence the skills and competencies of the workforce. Social mobility, the ability of individuals to move within social strata, affects consumer behavior and workforce diversity. Lifestyle changes, such as consumer preferences and habits, shape market demand. Sociocultural shifts, including attitudes and values, influence consumer behavior and corporate responsibility. Technological factors encompass breakthroughs and advancements that can lead to new products and efficiencies. Technology transfer, the spread of new technologies, influences competitive advantage. Government investment in technology, through funding and policy, supports innovation. Research and development activities drive technological progress and industry evolution. Environmental considerations include energy consumption and sources, affecting costs and environmental impact. Pollution levels and their effects on health and ecosystems are vital. Climate change presents risks and opportunities for businesses in adapting to new environmental conditions. Sustainability initiatives, aimed at reducing environmental footprint, are increasingly important for corporate responsibility and compliance. Legal factors cover employment law governing worker rights and employer responsibilities. Health and safety regulations ensure safe working conditions. Corruption laws affect business ethics and operations. Product safety standards protect consumers and influence product design. Consumer protection laws regulate marketing, sales, and service to safeguard consumer interests. In summary, PESTEL Analysis is a vital strategic tool that offers a structured approach to examining macro-environmental factors impacting organizations across various sectors. While its qualitative nature and macro-level focus have limitations, such as potential subjectivity and overlooking internal company dynamics, it is an invaluable part of strategic planning. To gain a comprehensive understanding, it's often used alongside other frameworks like SWOT analysis, providing a holistic view of both external and internal factors. And that wraps up our deep dive into the PESTEL analysis. Remember, understanding the PESTEL framework can be key to navigating the complex and ever-changing business environment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on business and management. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll delve into other key strategies and frameworks that will help you navigate the complex business world.